See a book creation, do you know what's here? How do you feel about Genesis chapter number 1? In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth, and the earth was without form and void. And the Spirit of the Lord was hovering upon the deep. And let there be light, and there was light. And then the first day God created this, the second day He created this. When you started hearing this, is it Obi Natrasia Concord story in place of the real creation?
No. Obi internasing and creative story be. Nemum story no. Said ye chro no. Se won't asia obeka bibi fufro. Enye sa story.
So just like scientists try to calculate, fix stuff to get the meaning of why certain things happen, no. And on a deep anya the throw away.
Even scientists, sometimes they miss the line. And we must accept it. Let me give you a typical example. When you go to our schools, majority from primary school to some universities even have a globe that they used to even teach in the schools, primary school JSS, a globe.
Yes.
You know we know it.
Yeah, I free.
When a
free headmaster office.
When globe was invented, you invented globe no. What dani globe na nkasa ebutu say ya na se no ya chira bo say is for decorative purpose, not for educational purpose. Opa, go online right now.
Globe na dey chire ya dey with school no. As a any kwanse dey sua dey.
Yen fe sua dey, wo dey chire obi dey, we deceive no. Because one manenya a different idea from the truth.
So what is the truth?
The earth is not the globe. So one man believe say.
So map na yehu na nya no.
Even your own map, I see Ghana, Africa, that map no is wrong by the teacher school. If you like, go online and check it for yourself. The true dimensions and the areas that Africa occupy is not what you learn in the university. Not even in the university.
Is it smaller or bigger than that?
Way bigger than that. Way bigger. Even our map, the world map itself, Africa could even be at the north.
So they turned it or something?
Because the way the firmament was laid as a dome, when we see the amode share adiemono, sana city and adien cover so say. To say you are in between the water and the water. Into Genesis 1, or say, na assassin no ebi wo insuo was assassin any ebi so was here. So he commanded and divided insuo no. No started say or shifting insuo ni bi. And or they down there no so exactly. That was what you were created of. So we assassin. Everything here is within you.
Enana o chese no fa no tie.
Eno
ye nipa.
Eno.
So it's not sad story, you know.
Ye were rem. It's rem no. Baby or the year ban up se Adam fear see ye project na. Ye ne mabeti mi atiasia with symbolism. Symbolism. Enti we olangs. On said the olangs city no. On say edua. Why is it that you breathe out carbon dioxide? The tree receives carbon dioxide, gives you oxygen. You take in oxygen, you give the tree, and your lungs no eduani hini.
So your lungs ni eduana almost exchange, they communicate.
Yeah, they communicate with the physical edua. And until your boy, my physical. Please, let's go to Romans chapter 1. Let's read something in verse 19 and 20.
But open the Bible yourself, wherever you find yourself, as you're reading together. You see, we did Romans chapter number. But Romans chapter.
Romans 1, 19 and 20.
Okay.
Emphasis in over 20.
But Romans chapter number. That became my. That's why I keep on repeating it. Roman, but New Testament. But Johana Eshe. And the Bible no Hona question. Are you ready? Okay, Yanko.
Romans chapter 1, verse 20. Okay. I say, for since the creation of the world, God's invisible qualities, his eternal power, and his divine nature have been clearly seen, being understood from what he has made, so that men are without excuse.
Memfa nkotwi mu kakra.
Kɔ.
Osi efi adibɔ nyina mfiti ase no. Onyankopɔn su se di ositie. Ni nyina no, ɔde hyehyɛ abɔde mu. Ɛna ɔde twa ye ho hyia ye se de ɛbɛyɛ a onipa bi anka sɛ me de minim no